Hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about how you can solve the Samsung hang or automatically restart problem in your device Samsung A20e. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's move to the video. If you're having any issue regarding the Samsung hang, like it automatically your phone stuck while using or automatically restart while using, you can solve this issue by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will be able to solve the hang and restart problem in your device.